I'm just gonna leave the jack here just to make sure. Alright, this is what we're gonna be replacing on this truck. It's called the sway bar link. It connects to the sway bar. That is the item number. This is for a 094 Ranger, a 2-wheel drive 2.3 engine. Alright, so this is the better one that they had. Two different, they had an upper tier and a lower tier. I went ahead and got the upper tier. I beat this truck up. This is my daily driver, all day use basically. Put food on the table truck type of truck. This is the link. It looks a little bit better quality. So you have to take everything apart on this one and put it back together. And I did get the pair. Here's the other one. Alright, next thing down, you gotta take the cap off. I just take it with one of these. This is a 3/4 inch socket. And since you're here, might as well check the brakes. You know, obviously check if this is wearing down evenly. Check how much brakes you have. You have to do the brakes, might as well just do it now because you're already here. That is the arm right there. Alright, so we got the bottom one out. So the bottom is not too bad. The top one, top one's pieces, guys. There's supposed to be one of these in here, and we don't have anything. So like here, you're supposed to have one of these on the top and one of these on the bottom. There's nothing on the bottom, so this one's already cracked. So alright, let's put it back together and see if we can put it back. Alright, so make sure you guys clean the holes. Make sure you guys get grease too, because you guys are going to have to put grease in between the link. Alright, so I guess you just grab this with some pliers and just tighten this one up. Alright, so there's going to be a washer. Remember guys, there's going to be a washer at the end of every Alright, make sure you guys loosen up the other side if you want to make it easier on yourself, because they're really hard to fit in there. So to fit it easy, just make sure you guys loosen up the other side. Once you get it in there, don't screw it all the way in there, because make sure you guys leave it loose like that, because on the other side you need some movement, so it'll make it easier on yourself. Alright, let's go on to the other side. Should already come off. Let me throw some grease in there. Alright, so that grease did work. Just what I needed. And then the other bushing. Once you get it in there, then you can put the other grommet or the other rubber piece, and then you can screw it back in. Alright, so this one shouldn't need a lot of tightening. So So it tightens up by itself. So bearer nut on the eye of the sway bar. So that's it. We got the regular nut. Install the black sleeve inside these two bushings. Yeah, that's what we did. Black. Make sure you guys install the black sleeve inside the bottom bushings. So we got the 14mm that's gonna go on the bottom. Alright, so it's in there. We put the impact wrench. I trust the impact wrench. This is the older one. Let me just put the older one back together so you guys would see what it looks like. We only had 3 on this one, on this side. So we had nothing here because it was already gone. It was already, and then we have one here, and then one here. Obviously these are already drying up, but this one's the one that we were missing. So we do have rubber in all 4 corners. So we should be good to go for another 200,000 miles. This truck almost has 200,000 miles. It's really hard to get a truck out there. Especially for $10,000 markup fees. This is gonna have to do for now, so that's why we're doing these projects, because we don't have a choice. That's it for today, guys. Just replacing the sway bars for you guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Alright, so 135.